What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Mikado, and we back at it again with another modification video today, man. Now, before we go ahead and jump into it, first off, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers, man. I appreciate you guys so much. And if you new to the channel, if this your first time tuning in, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, comment on all the videos, and hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video, you'll be notified, man. Just go ahead and join that community, man. Welcome to the doghouse, man. That's what I'm gonna call all the subscribers, man. We all dogs in this joint, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, welcome to the doghouse. Ho, 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 ho! Yeah, so yeah, look, you know what? We just go jump right into it though, bro. Look, check this out. We got these Puddle lights for 40 bucks that I copped off Amazon. Man, you can't beat that, man. This modification is sick, it's easy, it's simple. Yeah, man, we just about to go ahead and cut the talking and jump right into it. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so we about to go ahead and jump right into this install. Now, this is the actual original Puddle light. I already removed the aftermarket ones out of the package, and I like this company because they pretty much label the light so that you know which side to put it on. So as you can see, this is the left side right here, and I'm gonna show you how real easy this is to go ahead and install. It should only take a matter of 1-2 minutes max. So the first thing you want to do, get a flat head or get any type of flat tool. Go ahead from one end, you pop the little tab, push it in, and bingo, the light just pop out just like that. It's like simple. And then all you got to do is press on this little tab on the inside to release the light, and boom, the original light is out. So now we got the aftermarket left side. Go ahead and plug him right in, and then I'm just about to go ahead and put this joint all the way up in here. Now it's gonna be kind of hard to see the light right now because it's still daytime. So what I'm gonna do, let me actually get the camera real quick. Let's do like this. So if you see my hand, you can see that it's illuminating the actual RT. So that's what's gonna actually illuminate on the ground. So I'm gonna actually come back out here tonight so that we're actually able to see how it looks on the ground, because right now, as you can see, we can't see it yet, but the light is working and it is shining. So we gonna go ahead and jump to the right side and get this thing finished up. All right, y'all, so we on the right side of the car. So I actually already semi-popped this one out because it's another car parked to where I am on the right side, and I had to do a little bit of finessing, so I went ahead and pre-popped it out. So that damn thing hot. Yeah, you got to be careful with these lights, boy. These things get hot real quick. So let me go ahead and push that tab in so we can get this thing popped out, and it should be just as simple, bingo, as the other one. So this the old light right here, got that out. Go ahead and plug in the replacement for the right side. Boom, prop right in. So go ahead and pop this thing right into place so we can get this over with. And pick up the camera. The light is installed, and as you can see, we got the RT beaming on my hand. So like I said, it's a little bit tricky right now because it's daytime, so you can't see it on the ground, but we know the lights are actually working and they beaming. So we go come back a little bit later on tonight. I'm gonna open the doors up so you can see what they look like at nighttime. I know they gonna look pretty sick, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for the video. All right, y'all, finally, the moment we've been waiting for finally got dark. About to go ahead and open the left side up first, and I'm hoping these lights, oh yeah, look at that, man. I ain't even gotta say no more. That look crazy right there, boy. That look crazy. That completely changed the dynamic of the car right there, man. I'm loving it. Let me go ahead and jump over to the right side real quick. Oh yeah, I'm pumped right now. I'm feeling it. Let me go ahead and jump over here. You step back a little bit. Oh yeah, that's fire, bro. That is fire right there, and you can't beat that, man. $40 install, super simple, super easy, completely changes the dynamic of the car, man. So that pretty much wraps it up for the video. So if y'all like this video, like I said, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it, man. Hit the thumbs up, go ahead and drop a comment, and I'll be back at y'all Friday with another video.